Backyard chickens are no longer just a farm thing. They've become a huge trend across American backyards. From families in the suburbs who want fresh eggs, to hobbyists who see chickens as pets, people everywhere are falling in love with these amazing birds. But here's the question. If you had to pick just one breed for your backyard, which one would it be? Well, today I am going to share about the top 5 backyard chicken breeds Americans love the most, based on their egg-laying ability, personality, and beauty. And trust me, if you are just starting your chicken journey or looking to add new birds to your flock, this video will save you a lot of time and mistakes. Starting off our list, or at number 5, is a true American icon, the Rhode Island Red. This chicken is known as one of the toughest dual-purpose chicken breed out there. They can handle hot summers, cold winters, and everything in between. That's one reason they've been around in American backyards for over 100 years. And if talk about their egg production, then a healthy Rhode Island Red can give you up to 250 to 300 large brown eggs a year. That's almost an egg every single day. On top of that, they're active, curious, and fun to watch. So if you want a reliable bird that's been trusted for generations, this one is a backyard superstar. Now at number 4, we have the Plymouth Rock, also known as the Barred Rock. And let me tell you, these chickens are as friendly as they look. With their striking black and white stripes, they stand out beautifully in any flock. But what people love even more is their calm personality. They're gentle, docile, and perfect if you have kids. They lay a steady supply of brown eggs, usually around 200 a year, and they're known to keep laying even through the colder months when other breeds might slow down. So if you want a bird that's both beautiful and family-friendly, the Plymouth Rock is a great pick. Now at number 3 is the Amarocana, often called the Easter egger. They named Amarocana because they lay eggs in shades of blue, green, and even pinkish tones. Imagine collecting eggs that look like they've already been dyed for Easter. That's the kind of joy these birds bring. Amarocanas aren't just about the eggs, though. They're curious, playful, and have a bit of a quirky personality. They love to explore and interact with people, which makes them fun pets as well as good layers. If you want eggs that wow your neighbors and make breakfast extra special, Amarocanas are hard to beat. Now next on number 2 goes to the Buff Orpington, often nicknamed the golden retriever of the chicken world. These fluffy, golden birds are gentle, affectionate, and love to be around people. They're also known for their excellent egg-laying ability, can lay around 200 to 280 large brown eggs every year, but honestly, many Americans love them just as much for their cuddly personalities as for their eggs. And finally, at number 1 on the list is the Leghorn. The white Leghorn chickens are originated in Italy. These white hens are known as egg-laying machines. They are able to producing up to 300 plus white eggs a year. They're active, hardy, and one of the most productive backyard chickens in America. They're a little more independent and not as cuddly as some breeds, but if your goal is plenty of eggs, Leghorns are unbeatable. That's why Americans absolutely love them. So there you have it, the top 5 backyard chickens Americans love the most: Rhode Island Reds, Plymouth Rocks, Amarocanas, Buff Orpingtons, and the champion, White Leghorns. Which of these breeds would you keep in your backyard? Or maybe you already have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your chicken stories. If you learned something from this video, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more backyard chicken tips, and share this video with a fellow chicken lover. Thanks for watching, and happy chicken keeping.